Hey math people, so let's take a look at this word problem. Ashley jumps an average of 120 times per minute. How many seconds would it take Ashley to jump 80 times? So she jumps 120 times per minute. That is called a rate, okay? 120 times per minute, and it's actually called a unit rate since it's per one something. How many seconds would it take Ashley to jump 80 times? They want the answer to be in seconds for 80 times. There, I have already recognized my units have changed and they are different. Therefore, I'm going to have to do a unit conversion, okay? So therefore, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? Well, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Since they gave us per minute, I can go ahead and just replace that with 60 seconds for my top rate there at the top. Instead of having 120 times per minute, I'm going to put 120 times per 60 seconds because that is the equivalence of 1 minute. Now I can go ahead and find what I am looking for. 80 times, and as you can see, I have times at the top and seconds at the bottom. You want to make sure that when you set up your proportion, everything is true. These are connected. They have a relationship. Times jump. These have a relationship as well as far as seconds. And then vertically, I also have a relationship because the rate 120 times goes with 60 seconds, okay? Now what we're going to do is cross multiply and divide. I'm going to do 120 times S, which is going to give me 120 S, and then 60 times 80, which will give me 480. We want to isolate my variable, which is S, and therefore I'm going to divide both of my sides by 120. That reduces down to a factor of 1, and then S is equal to 40. So she jumped 40 seconds. There is also another way that you can solve this, but cross multiplication and division is usually the go-to method for everyone. Not everyone, I'll take that back. For multiple people, because it's just a sure way of making sure that you're going to get it right. All right, so therefore my answer is 80 times takes 40 seconds. Thanks.